Today we're going somewhere deep, into the pores, into the little places where dirt and oil have been hiding, quietly, for days. And one by one, gently, we're going to release them. You're going to hear soft extractions, warm steam, the smallest, most satisfying pop, and I want you to breathe with me before we begin. One more time, inhale, deep, slow, calm, and exhale, releasing everything you don't need anymore. You're safe here. Your skin is safe here. Nothing rushed, nothing forced, only gentle, patient care. Let's begin. Step by step, step 1, oil cleanser. We always start soft. Always start warm. This oil cleanser is melting into the skin. Feel how it glides, no friction, no pulling, just a smooth, slippery warmth spreading across the face. It's dissolving the makeup, the sunscreen, the invisible layer of the day. Watch how it turns milky as it mixes with the water. That's the impurities lifting away, right before your eyes. Small circles, slow circles, around the nose, along the jaw, across the forehead. There's no rush here. Oil cleansing is the first act of undressing the skin, gently, layer by layer, and already you can feel the tension in your face beginning to soften, can't you? We rinse now. Warm water, just enough to carry it all away. Clean but not stripped, soft but not empty. This is only the beginning. Step 2, foam cleanser now. Something lighter, something airy. This foam is so soft, like clouds resting on your fingertips. We press it gently between our palms, watch the bubbles multiply, tiny, delicate, weightless. And now we apply it to the skin. Barely any pressure at all. Just soft, circular movements, cleansing what the oil left behind, the last traces of impurity. Rinsed away in the quietest way possible. Your skin is asking for this softness, and we're giving it exactly that. There we go, clean, breathing, ready. Step 3, steam now warms the warmth. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine warm mist rising slowly toward your face. Feel it settle on your skin, gentle, comforting, like a soft blanket made of warmth instead of fabric. The steam is opening the pores, coaxing, not forcing them, inviting everything trapped inside to come closer to the surface. There's something deeply calming about heat like this. It melts away resistance, it softens everything inside and out. Stay here for a moment, breathe it in, let your skin relax completely. We're almost ready for the most satisfying part. Step 4, extractions, slow, detailed, deeply satisfying now. The part you've been waiting for. We begin with the nose. The pores are open now, soft, ready. I'm placing gentle pressure on either side, just enough to coax, never to force, and there, look, a tiny blackhead, rising to the surface, slowly, reluctantly, and then released. Gone. Doesn't that feel good just to witness? We move slowly to the next one, a little pressure, patience, and there it is. Clean, empty, relieved. Every extraction here is slow, deliberate, never sharp, never rushed, because your skin deserves gentleness, even in a moment like this. Now the chin, a slightly firmer texture here. We press with rounded tools, soft and cool against the skin, and one by one the congestion lifts away. Tiny, satisfying releases, like little weights being lifted off the skin. Some are small, some surprise us with how much they release. But every single one is a small relief, a small letting go. We move to the forehead slower here. The skin is thinner, more delicate, and just like that, clear, open. Breathing freely again. Look at the tray now. Tiny specks of everything the skin no longer needs. Isn't it satisfying? To see what was hidden, now gone, now resolved. Your skin already feels lighter, doesn't it? Step 5, toner now. We cool everything down. This toner is calming the skin after the extractions, cooling, soothing. Closing what was gently opened, listen to that soft tapping, patting the toner in, layer after layer, hydration sinking in, redness fading, balance being restored. Your skin is thanking you right now. Can you feel it? Step 6, serum, a few drops silky, almost weightless. We spread it slowly between the fingers. Watch how it melts into the skin, disappearing instantly. Hydration is sinking deep now, nourishing every pore we just cleared, rebuilding, restoring, comforting. This is the skin's quiet recovery, and we're right here with it every step of the way. Step 7, mask now. We rest. We lay this cooling mask gently over the skin, and for a few moments, there is nothing to do but be still. Let your mind go quiet here. Let your skin absorb everything it needs. This is the pause between effort and result, the soft middle, the safest part of the whole routine. There. Doesn't that stillness feel good? Step 8, massage. We remove the mask slowly, and now we massage. Long upward strokes along the jaw, up the cheeks, across the forehead, slow, rhythmic, almost like a lullaby for your face. This massage lifts, it soothes, it tells your skin gently that it is cared for. Feel how loose everything feels now, how calm. Step 9, moisturizer, and now we seal it all in. This moisturizer is rich but light. We press it into the skin, patting, sealing, locking hydration deep where it belongs. Your skin is protected now. Soft, clear, calm, exactly how it should feel. Aftercare, calming and healing right after extractions. The skin needs comfort, not more product. We let it breathe. We let the redness fade naturally. Hydration and coolness are enough right now. Healing doesn't need to be rushed. It only needs patience and gentle attention. Just like this. Emotional closing. Look at your skin now. Clearer, calmer, cared for. But this was never really about blackheads, was it? It was about giving yourself 5 quiet minutes, about being gentle with yourself, about remembering that self-care isn't a luxury. It's something you deserve every single day. Whatever you were carrying before this video, I hope some of it feels lighter now. You did nothing wrong by needing this pause. You did everything right by giving it to yourself. Thank you for watching.